Well, you all settled in? Right, we can begin. My name is...
Once there was a time when my mind lay on higher things, and once there was a time I could find pretty words to sing. But now, I find it saves time to say what you mean. I know it seems so unrefined, but it's time to let off some steam. It didn't have to take a long time. I was trying to write an album about, you know, and I've always had a great deal of difficulty in talking about that subject, so to write an album about it is very tricky. But it's all a bit silly, really. But the more I look through them, the more I see I'm becoming more like Alfie. Basically, my record company gave me far too much money, and I spent my time trying to spend it in the most ridiculous ways possible, i.e. sort of hire a 40-piece orchestra, record in Abbey Road, you know. It's all Edwyn Collins' fault. He is supposedly on Satanta Records, my label, and he had his huge hit with A Girl Like You, so the label actually got some money for once in its life, and they didn't know what to do with it because they'd never had any money before. And I thought, oh, let's give it to Neil, see what he can do with it. I wasn't clever enough to think of, you know, investing it all in a Swiss bank or anything, so I just made another bloody record. Yeah, and once there was a time I could blindfold myself with love, but not now. Now I'm resigned to the kind of life I had reserved for other guys less smart than I. You know, the kind who will always end up with the girls, and besides, everybody knows that no means yes, just like glasses come free on the NHS. But the more I look through them, the more I see I'm becoming more like Alfie. Oh, come on. It was a nice childhood, you know, regardless of the fact that it was spent in war-torn Londonderry, you know, in the 70s. But I thoroughly enjoyed it, really, and but nothing much happened, you know. Just played with me Lego a bit, you know. Had very few friends, but I was a very good friend to myself, and I spent hours having amazingly long conversations with myself.
She said, "There's something in the woodshed, and I can hear it breathing. It's such an eerie feeling, darling." He said, "There's nothing in the woodshed. It's your imagination and of the conversation, darling."
I've had many influences, but I think they're all sort of subconscious in a way, because I don't particularly like feeling that I've been influenced by somebody else. I sort of feel, well, you know, I thought this was all my own work.
Oh, come on. You know you want to.
She said, "There is something in the woodshed. I know because I saw
I'd like to achieve a large house in the country with a big open fire, 2 Irish wolfhounds, maybe a red setter, and me with a big cigar and a glass of port in a big leather chair, green leather chair, and a toasting fork. That'll be about right.
I'm going all the way